welcome to Mineral Mound State Park in Eddyville, Kentucky, located on the beautiful shores of Lake Barkley. If you haven't been to Mineral Mound Golf Course in a while, one of the things you'll notice new is we reversed the 9 holes. And now the side that everybody wanted to play, the lake side, is now the first 9 holes. At Mineral Mound Golf Course, we are offering some specials that we don't normally offer. One of the specials is a twilight rate. In the fall, there's really good weather in the afternoon, so at 3 o'clock, we have a twilight special. You can play 9 holes in a cart for just $15, or if you want to play more than 9, it's $25. One of the other specials that we have Monday through Friday is our senior rate. Our senior rate is just $30 Monday through Friday, and it includes a golf cart. Stay at one of the 3 nearby state resort parks, Kentucky Dam Village, Lake Barkley, or Pennyrock. Not only do they have overnight lodging, but they also have courses to check out as well. One of the other amenities that we have here at Mineral Mound State Park, besides the beautiful golf course, is our boat ramp. Our boat ramp has a courtesy dock and it has a double ramp. Many people use it, and they also stop by, pick up their ice, pick up their beer, sandwiches, hot dogs. You can stop in the pro shop and pick that up as well. So what do you say? Are you ready to see what Mineral Mound State Park is all about?